Ball catch mortise lock provide a basic level of closure without the need for a complex locking. Mortise locks are known for their strength and durability, making them more secure. It provides a sturdy and robust locking mechanism that is more resistant to forced entry. Full range of multiple functions to meet different demands for all commercial, institutional. It designed to be easy open and close, with lock cylinder that feels solid and comfortable to use. Stainless steel material casting deadbolt ensures the durability. We are offering many functions of mortise lock for different doors. Welcome, contact for more details.